Alright, this is Brandon from the Old School Game Vault here, and right now we're going to fix we got a funky reset button here. It keeps turning on, keeps resetting, so we're going to go in here and clean it. So it's a pretty easy video here. What you're going to need is you're going to need a game bit opener. Then I just use a little socket wrench to make it a little easier for myself to open this. And that is my daughter doing some commentary for us. So basically there's going to be 5 of these. We're going to have to unscrew. Generally you can get these little game bit openers on eBay. Only a couple bucks, I believe. I've had mine for a long time, so they seem to last. No, sweetie. All right, now let's catch our screws here. Looks like I was wrong, there's 6. There's one right here too. So we'll bust this guy open, get our screw out. Alright, he's going to pop out. I guess at this time we can clean out any dust or debris inside the console. It's always a good time to do that while it's open. And then, right here's our little reset, or this is our power. Here's a reset button. So it feels like it's kind of stuck in here. So what we're going to do, there's 2 tabs right here. We're going to push on those. Get a reset button out. Once you got a reset button out, what we're going to do is take a little rubbing alcohol here. Maybe somebody spilt something on the console, got some soda in there, something, who knows. Just clean out the little reset button hole. Then I'll go along the side of the reset button. Clean that off. Take a little paper towel. Clean it off. Clean out the little hole. Make sure you got the reset in right. Just doesn't like to go back in. There we go. It feels like it's moving pretty good. Alright, so then what we're going to do, I'll set it back on our console here. And our reset button seems to be working. So basically that's a real quick, dirty way to clean out your reset button on the N64 console. Then generally, while I'm in here, what we'll do is we'll clean out our cartridge slot too. Why not, since we're in here? What I always do, this is our cartridge slot. I just take a little piece of 220 grit sandpaper, slide it right in our grooves, gently rub back and forth, give it a blow. So now we have a cartridge slot cleaned out. We fixed the reset button. There we go. Thanks for watching. Take care.